Hi, Molly. What are you doing? What are you doing? You going to work? Where do you go? Where are you going? You're going to work in your car? Okay. Bye. Where do you work?
Apple.
You work at Apple?
Apple.
Oh, okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Where are you going?
I'm going to work with my car.
Oh, you're going in your car to go to work? Bye. You're back from work? Did you have a good day at work? You saw Alice and Corey and April at work? Okay. Bye. And Molly's at work. She's wearing an outfit that she picked out and put on by herself. You went to work and you're home now? Okay. You're going shopping now? Where are you going? You're getting ice cream? Okay, bye. You got some ice cream? And cookies? Oh, yummy. Okay, where are you going? You're going to work? Okay. You went to work? Now you're home. It's good to see you. Ernie is working too? How about Count? Is Count working?
No, he's not.
He's not.
Molly's working.
Molly's working? Oh, okay. Bye, Molly. Have fun at work. You've got Slimy? Okay. You've got Slimy and Oscar from Sesame Street? And Ernie and Count. You got Big Bird? Oh, I'll hold them. Okay. Thank you very much. I'll hold Count. I'll hold Ernie. Okay, thanks. I'll hold them for you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I don't know.
That's Ernie.
Okay.
Well, Ernie.
Okay, thanks.
You will count the
Yeah.
zero.
Okay.
We'll have you zero.
Okay. I'll hold all your friends for you. Bye. Can you say goodbye?
Bye-bye, Mom.
Bye-bye. You going back to Apple?
Yes.
Okay, have fun. Okay. Funny. Okay, bye. See you later.